Let me ask you a quick question. When you hear the word Tableau, what comes to your mind? Just a tool for making dashboards, right? Well, that's only half the story because Tableau is not just one software. It actually offers three powerful products. And trust me, most beginners don't even know the difference between them. But if you do, it can completely change the way you use Tableau in your career or projects. So today in this video, we are going to uncover the three products that Tableau offers. Additionally, we are going to understand what they do, why they matter, and how you can use them effectively in your career. So let's begin. So first up, we have Tableau Cloud, also known as Tableau Server. So this is like your stage where you can showcase your dashboards to the team or to your audience. So using this product, students can publish their dashboards for faculty to review, or even working professionals can share their dashboards with the management. So it's not just about publishing though. On server, dashboards remain fully active depending on how they were designed in the desktop. So there is one cool part about this product is that you can even store multiple dashboards at a time, or you can even download the backend data like Excel files that powered the dashboard. And you can control access. That means that a finance dashboard stays private to only the finance team, and while HR or the IT team should not even see it. So that's how you can even control the access of the dashboard. The second one that we have is the Tableau Desktop, which is our second product that Tableau offers. So this is like a creation lab. So here you design visualizations, create dashboards, and experiment with all the cool features that Tableau offers. So be it fancy charts, interactive filters, or storytelling dashboards, desktop is the tool you'll actually be using day to day as a data analyst. So basically, I would say that desktop is for building dashboards while server is for sharing the dashboards. So I hope you're clear with the differences between the product 1 and the product 2. Now finally we have our third product, which is Tableau Prep. That means it's like your kitchen where you clean and prepare the ingredients before cooking. So here in this product, what you do is, as we know that data is often messy, right? It contains different tables, missing values, and even some weird formats. So this product, which is nothing but the Tableau Prep, helps you to combine multiple tables. Using that, you can also create new calculated columns or new calculated fields. You can either clean or shape your messy data, and even you can build workflows to automate the process. So by the time your data reaches to the Tableau desktop for actually building the dashboards, it's like already neat and structured and ready for visualization using Tableau Prep. So in short, I would say that the first product, which is Tableau Cloud or Tableau Server, is used for publishing and sharing the dashboards, while Tableau Desktop is used for creating and designing the dashboards. And the third one, which is Tableau Prep, is used for cleaning and preparing the data for building dashboards. So together, all of these three products make a complete ecosystem where raw data is actually transformed to the polished dashboards which is shared with the right audience. Also, there is a quick note that I would like to add in this video is that students get a free 1-year license for Tableau Desktop, while corporates usually get an enterprise license since individual license can be expensive. And yes, there is also a 14-day trial if you want to explore. So now you know that Tableau is not just one tool, but three amazing products working together. And also let me know that which one do you think would you use the most, desktop, prep, or server. Also drop your answers in the comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Thank you and see you soon.